So this is a reenactment of when Michelle was 5 years old and she called her mother a wench dog. This is what happened. Okay, alright, action!
Wench dog!
Mom, you gotta go ahead and get up on the wall. Mommy, remember what you did? Mommy.
Come back and beat me some more, Mom.
You didn't say that then.
Ha ha ha.